So what up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you my two best scalping strategy which I use in scalping the forex market. So in today's video I'll be revealing to you my best scalping strategy which works 99% of the time, which I use in making huge amount of profits in the forex market, which I use in turning little capital into a huge sum of capital in less than an hour. So if you're a trader that is looking to flip your little amount of capital into a huge sum of capital, you should consider watching all through the end of this video so you can learn and be able to flip that your little amount of capital into a huge amount of capital in less than a week. So this is my scalping strategy, which I'm about to show you right in this video. This is the strategy guys in making this profit which you're seeing right on the screen, and also this profit which you're seeing right on the screen from a little capital in my little trading account, my small trading account. I was able to flip that money into a huge sum of capital with this my strategy, which works around 99% of the time. If you can spot it correctly, it works 99% of the time. So first of all, what is scalping? So scalping is basically placing a trade with the aim of going out of that trade in less than an hour. So scalping basically means when you place a trade, you're aiming to go out in less than an hour in that trade to take a profit in less than an hour. So you're placing to take a profit quick, faster. So that's scalping. So scalping is different from day trading. So day trading is basically you are like day trading. You can hold a trade within the whole day. You can hold a trade, place a trade. Let's say in the morning, you can hold that trade right in that day. Maybe before the day ends, you can close the trade off. So that's the difference between day trader and a scalper. So for me, I do scalp sometimes, and I'm also a day trader. I'm a day trader as well. So I'm a day trader. I'm also a scalper. So sometimes if I see a very good sniper entry, I can just choose to scalp to take my profit within a minute or less than an hour. I'll just go out of that trade and make a huge sum of profit and just go out. So this is how I scalp sometimes and I day trade sometimes. So if you're a scalper, you should be using the time frame you should be using is from the 1 minute up to the 5 minutes, or sometimes if you want to go deeper, you can analyze up to the 15 minutes time frame, then take your trade aiming to go out in less than an hour. So that's what scalping basically means. So if you're a day trader, the time frame you should be using is from the 5 minutes up to the 1 hour time frame, or up to maybe if you want to get more deep insights about the market, you can still scale up to the day 1 time frame. This is the time frame you should be using as a day trader. So for this video for scalping, so for scalper, you should be using the 1 minute and maybe up to the 15 minutes time frame. So right in this video, I'm going to be showing you my two best scalping strategy which I use in scalping the forex market. So make sure you stay tuned and watch all through the end of this video to learn how to scalp, how to turn your little amount of capital into a huge amount of capital. So without much being said, let's dive into the video. So right here guys, this is gold chart. The first strategy I'm about to show you is the uptrend and the downtrend strategy, which is also known as the buyers and the sellers market strategy. So uptrend is when the buyers are in control of the market, and the downtrend is when the sellers are in control of the market. So each time the market is uptrending, that means buyers are in massively control of the market at that point in time. So whenever I see the market uptrending, you should be looking forward to buy. Whenever I see the market is forming the higher highs and higher lows, that means the market is uptrending. So you should be looking forward to buy on the uptrending market, which is known as the buyer's market, and also the downtrending market. You should be looking forward to sell. Whenever I see the market forming lower highs and lower low, you should know that the market is downtrending. Whenever the market is forming lower highs and lower low, that means the market is downtrending. So, and I will show you an example of that uptrend and downtrend strategy that is scalping the forex market. So right here, this is gold chart, and this is I'm making use of the 1 minute time frame right on this chart, as you can see. So now I'll be explaining one of my strategies that is scalping. So right here, this is a gold chart. The strategy goes like this. Whenever I see the market forming a lower highs and lower lows, then I know that the market is downtrending. So I'll just enter. I'll just maybe see the market form this first form. As you can see, the market form lower highs and lower low right here. So right here, as you can see, the market is forming this continuously. As you can see that lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. So as you can see that, so I will just immediately, when I see the market formed and got to this point, came down, I might just take a short position right here. Just enter a short position to scalp. As you can see that, to just scalp, immediately take my profits. I can just put my stop loss right at this, right at the lower highs, right at the highs. Now just enter this trade. You can see that I can just scalp it up to this point. Now take my profit right at this point. You can see that. Just enter right at this spot. You can see this also is good risk to reward. Now I'll just enter at this spot, go out at this point, and I will now, in the market, I can now like wait to see if the market will come up again. You can see that market come up again, form this lower highs again. As you can see that. Now wait. If I see the market form the lower highs, trying to form a lower low again, I might just enter right at this spot. As you can see, I might just enter another trade right at this spot. Now aiming to take my profit right at this point. You can see that right at this spot. I just put my stop loss. I might just enter right at this spot. Now put my stop loss right at this spot. You can see that just I've won these two trades. The market is downtrending. You can see that this is a seller's market. So this is how to trade a downtrending market. You can see that. So I'm scalping this downtrending market right now. You can see that I've made a huge sum of profit right in this trade. I've won these two trades because I'm able to identify a downtrending market. So as you can see, this is a downtrending market. I just scalped it, waiting for the market to form a lower high. When the market is trying to form a lower low, I just enter right at the support, then wait for the market to get to its final lower lows. Then I go out of the trade. So this is how to scalp a downtrending market, or the same thing as the uptrending market. So the market is heading to the upside, so it's just the same thing. So as you can see that this is how to scalp. This is one of my best scalping strategy, and I'll be showing you the second one, which I use in scalping the forex market. So let's move on to the second pair, which is odd USD. The second one is so right here, this is the 5 minutes time frame, which I'm using right on the odd Australian dollars pair, as you can see. So this is the second strategy, which is called able to identify the support and resistance. So support is basically the area where price bounce back, and the resistance is the area where price rejects. For some of you that don't know what is support and resistance, so support and resistance is also one of the best way to predict price movement in the forex market. So the ability for you to be able to spot out the support, and resistance can make you make a lot of money in the forex market. Spot out the support and resistance and expect a breakout out of that support and resistance. Then you should either, that will help you know if you have to take a long position or a short position. So right on the chart, this is odd USD. So you can see this is Australian dollars per, as you can see. So this is one of the strategies that is scalping the forex market. You can see. So this is how I took a trade. As you can see, this is how the trade went. So this is how to, now I saw that the market formed like went up, forming a trend. As you can see, the market was just forming a trend, a high and a low, a high and a low. So the market got to a point that it formed a trend, as you can see. This is support, identifying support and resistance. You can see I just identify a support area, as you can see that the top is the resistance area, as you can see. So the market broke out. You can see that the market got to this point, formed an imbalance, and you can see the market broke. So at this point, when I saw that the market has got to this point, this is where I'm to enter. This is where you have to enter as a scalper. So you just immediately take a short position and just put your stop loss right at the top, right here, just right at this spot or something. Now you can see that this is a huge profit. You are risking very little to make a huge sum of profits. You can see that. Now you can see that you are risking 15 pips. I mean, you are risking on Australian dollars. This is you are risking 4 pips to make 15 pips. You can see that. You can see that. So this is a very nice good risk to reward. You can see that. That means you are making approximately 1:4. That means you're making four times your risk. You can see that. That is a good risk to reward as a scalper. You should also maintain risk management as a scalper. You can see that. Now the market just went to my take profit area. You can see. So this is how to scalp. So the ability for you to be able to spot out support and resistance, which make up the trend formation, that can help you scalp much easier. So this is the second strategy which I use in scalping the forex market. The second best strategy which I use in scalping the forex market. So you can see now the market just trying to reverse back. You can see that. So this is how you can scalp your little sum of capital into a huge sum of capital. The ability for you to spot out first the uptrend market and the downtrend market, and secondly, identifying support and resistance can help you become a profitable forex trader. So it can help you turn your $10 or a $100 account into $1,000 in less than, let's say, in a week or in a month, or maybe you can turn $100 into $1,000 if you can be able to identify this, which I've showed you right in this video, can help you become a profitable forex trader. So with that much being said, we have come to the end of this video. So guys, make sure you learn from this and also put it in practice. Be able to identify this whenever I see them in the forex market, and hopefully you flip your little amount of capital into a huge sum of capital. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified each time I post a video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on another video.